Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irfan Surya. My student identification number is 21107320007. Now I'm gonna talk about my understanding about word Englishes from book Messiah and Bad 2008. This section introduces the concept of word Englishes by exploring the word spread and diversification of the English language. The authors frame English not a single uniform entity, but as a complex of diverse and evolving varieties. It's shaped by historical, political, social, and linguistic factors. The first one is the English Language Complex, or ELC. The authors use the term English Language Complex, ELC, to refer to all varieties of English worldwide. Uh, uh, from the English worldwide. This categorized by historical development, historical development, social function, and structural characteristic. That include metropolitan standard, colonial standard, regional standards, metropolitan standard, colonial standards, and regional and social dialect. Uh, 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 okay, next, classifying English varieties. In this book, there are present a typology of Englishes. It include the first one is Pidgin and Creole Englishes, which evolved through trade and colonialization. Next one is language shift Englishes. It's emerging when English replaced local language. Next, immigrant Englishes. It's often spoken by minority communities in metropolitan countries. Next is hybrid Englishes. It's like English that result from code mixing. Next is historical spread English. Historical spread of English. The authors trace the historical phases of English expansion. The first one is Old English period. Its internal diversification, contact with Celtic, Latin, and Norse language. Next is Middle English period. It's Norman conquest introduced fresh French influence. Next is Early Modern English. Its standardization against printing spreads with written norms. And the last is Modern English. Its global spread through colonization, trade, and empire, leading to new varieties. Next one is colonization and the rise of the new Englishes. English spread through colonial expansion, leading to the rise of ESL varieties in Asia and Africa, Creole language in the Caribbean and parts of Africa, use of English in administration, education and trade in protector and settler colonies. The last is the key concept and terminology. It natification and indigenization describe how English adapt the local cultures. World Englishes include all non-native and post-colonial varieties, while New English often refers specific, specifically to institution ESL varieties. Next, the inner, outer, and expanding circles, modeled by Cardew, is reference to explain how English function differently across societies. Uh, um, what? Okay, no, I'm sorry. Okay, I think that's all from me. Uh, I'm sorry if if there's more mistake that I made from reading and speaking. I'm sorry. Uh, that's what I can say. That's from my understanding. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.